This is the Cup random hit break. Thank you guys for getting this one full. We take off the wrapper to reveal a box. We cut the sticker of that box to reveal a tin. We open up that tin to reveal a box. We cut open that box to reveal the goodness inside. All right, back card to the front. $2.99. It is the show, Jack Hughes. $2.49. Seth Jarvis for the Hurricanes. Wow, that's cool. 152.249. Philip Hallander, rookie auto patch for the Penguins. What a card. Wow, what the hell? That's sick. 8.35. Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues. That's very cool. Ryan O'Reilly, very popular. Auto to 36. Rookie auto, Brant Clark for the Kings. And we finish with $2.99. Lucas Reichel for the Blackhawks, 4/99. All right, let's put those in. All right, we're not going to be too specific, so people who are watching can get the full thing. Jarvis, Hughes. Oh, it'd be good if I spelled right. Hughes, Reichel, Clark, Hallander, O'Reilly. I have to spell that right because he does not spell the way I spell it. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Jarvis, Hughes, Reichel, Clark, Hallander, O'Reilly. 5 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hughes top, Reichel bottom. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. All right, let's sleeve these all up, figure out who gets what. All right, for the Hurricanes, it is the base of Seth Jarvis. Seth Jarvis ended up in spot 4 to William. The Reichel jersey ending up in spot 6 to Nathan Drake. Again, jersey. The show, Hughes, spot 1, Caleb Murray. The Hallander, spot 5, Matt Alston. David in spot 3, picking up the Clark, which leaves it the O'Reilly for Ringer in spot 2. Happy birthday. 8/35. Game-worn jersey, by the way, on that Ryan O'Reilly. I kind of like the idea of the patch being signed. It's a cool concept. I said, yep, what a concept.